Hi, third graders. Welcome back. Today, our learning target is to identify hyperboles. So get out your reading notebook, turn to the pages where you are taking notes. You have figurative language notes, and you added idioms last week. Today, we're going to add hyperbole. And basically, hyperbole is an exaggeration. So pause the video, jot that down, add it to your notes, and then come back. Now, a hyperbole, first of all, that's how you say it. Hyperbole. I know when you look at the word, you kind of think to yourself hyperbole, but it's hyperbole. The emphasis is on the per, hyperbole. Um, it's kind of similar to an idiom in that the words mean something different than what we're actually saying. But the thing about a hyperbole is that it's an exaggeration for emphasis. An idiom is more a phrase. It's almost like slang, just kind of a phrase we use, and it's not necessary. It's not an exaggeration. We're not. So that's what a hyperbole is. It's meant to when we exaggerate, it's because we're really trying to emphasize. We're trying to emphasize a feeling it or just create a strong effect. So authors might use hyperbole to build intensity or to show how urgent something is. So your goal today, your learning target today, is just to hear and see lots of examples of hyperbole and be able to identify yourself. So there's a quizzes for you to see lots of examples, and then it'll give you examples, and and it gives you options like, is it a hyperbole or not? Hyperbole or not a hyperbole. And so you get that practice of identifying if a sentence is a hyperbole. Um, and then there's a vocabulary as well. So you can watch the video, hear the song, see and hear lots of examples. There's vocabulary there and a little quiz you can take with the same thing. It'll give you some sentences and you need to identify whether it's hyperbole or not. Or it'll ask you to like take what if this it'll sometimes give you a sentence and you need to add hyperbole. And so both you could do both because they're both short, so that you can just hear lots of examples, and then the must do is to identify it yourself. So I bet you a lot of you are going to realize that you exaggerate often. Maybe you are someone who uses hyperbole often. So have fun today reading and listening and learning about hyperbole.